Meaning of Fanny Kemble.
Fanny Kemble.
Fanny Kemble.
Fanny Kemble.
Fanny Kemble. Fanny Kemble was an English actress and writer who lived in the 19th century. She was known for her performances on the stage and her literary works, including her memoirs. Kemble was also an abolitionist and worked to end slavery in the United States. Her marriage to a plantation owner in Georgia and her subsequent observations of the treatment of slaves inspired her to become an advocate for their freedom. Kemble's efforts helped to raise awareness about the horrors of slavery and contributed to the eventual abolition of slavery in the United States.